Okay, let's apply that this dog filters or derivative of Gaussian filters in X and on our image, and let's see how the image looks like, how the derivative responses looks like. So let me just first check the shape of our image, original image. That was red. That's a grayscale image, but just all the three channels they are copied. So let me write the image as image 0, just the first channel, because all the channels are same here. We already have seen that. Next, what we do is, because there are negative values that are going to be stored, there are floating point values that are going to be stored. So let's convert the data type of this being float 64 or float 32 is also sufficient. Let's convert that. So do that and then apply this. Let's compute ix being cv2 dot filter filter 2D, and we have this image -1 for the depth, and our filter is gx. Then we have iy being cv2 dot filter 2D image -1, and our filter now is gy. So now we have computed ix and iy. So let's display them. Let's copy the code just from here. Let's copy this and see how the x derivative and y derivative looks like if we apply derivative of Gaussian instead of smoothing first and then applying the derivatives. So you can now see this result and this result pretty much look like the same. In x derivative here, the areas that are being highlighted are mostly horizontal, and the area in the y derivative here are mostly vertical. So now we have applied derivative of Gaussian to compute the x derivative of y derivative, and that's one contribution of Canny in the edge detection literature, that rather than using just the plain derivative masks like -1 and 1, 1 and 1, he first smooth out the image to suppress the noise and then apply the derivative. But that too, he came up with an expression to compute the overall convolution is applied just once, and that convolution filter is completely derived analytically and mathematically beforehand. That's a really cool contribution from Canny. But that's not all. There are a lot of other things that Canny did. Canny actually improved the classical edge detection schemes that we will see in our next video.